Hey y'all, it's your girl Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the infamous May 2022 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. I do have just the regular stationery box in half letter. I do not subscribe to the pen box. So y'all, I don't think I've ever shown the inside of the box. I normally just take it off the table, but if I did have the pen subscription, this is where it would go, somewhere here. So get back in there. Thank you. Here's my what's inside card, and then I am gonna pull this off the desk because there just isn't enough space for it all to live here. So pull it out off and go through this stuff. Alright, so I have my what's inside card here. I'm going to put it up here so I can read from it. And the first thing up is the leather folio. And it says, this month, luxury is key with our new mini leather folio. This product was designed with simplicity and organization in mind, featuring a sleek, multifunctional pocket system that allows you to easily store your daily necessities. Black nubuck leather, and it is 5.125 by 6 3/4 inches. Oh y'all, this is soft. It's nubuck, I mean, to be expected. So we've got a pocket up here, pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. So 4 pockets here, and then one on the inside, and then we have 2 slots here and a pin loop. It does say cloth and paper down here, and it did come in this canvas cloth and paper bag. So this is the leather folio. I can imagine a lot of people using that for their portfolio. It's their portfolio, their passport. Goodness, can't even think straight. So that's our leather folio. Okay, here is the Build Dashboard Duo, and it says our new Pocket Plus. There we go. Build Dashboard Duo serves as the perfect cover to add to your new spiral folder system. It features a beautiful still life image layered with an eye-catching type-based design. So we have Build. I love the floral scene back there and that deep green. So back here, down here at the bottom, it says we are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality. We grow by failing and getting up again. Every time we fall, we stand up. We stand up to uphold our honor. We stand up because we cannot do otherwise. It is expected of us. But what happens when we fall so deep that honor plays no part? When our emotions take over and there is nothing to prove. The only consolation, hope for a fair chance. Hope for a fair outcome. Hope people will see how we interact with each other, how we leave each other behind. Be the one who nurtures and builds. Be the one who has an understanding and a forgiving heart. One who looks for the best in people. Leave people better than you found them. I love this. And then you have one that's just a blank. So that is the Build Dashboard Duo. The next item is the door hanger, and it says, need some quiet time to yourself to plan out your week? We have you covered with our new leather door hanger. This product features a double-sided design on black vegan leather with gold foil embossed text, and one side says please come in, the other side says planning in progress. This, I would love to say this is going to work to keep my fellow housemates away from me when I'm planning, but it's not. It's really not. So that is the door hanger. Next we have the cloth and paper clip. It says be the first to receive our brand new magnetic cloth and paper clip in Ibiza. This set includes both a matte and glossy option, so you have the best of both worlds in one small package. Use these clips to add your favorite quote card to your planner, or even keep your charging cables tidy. So let me get this cut open. And on the packaging it says our cloth and paper clip duo is the perfect addition to your daily planning routine. From holding your spot on a page to storing your favorite quote cards, the capability of these clips are endless. This set includes a 0.93 by 4.25 inch matte and glossy option to give you the best of both worlds in one package. So immediately So right off the rip, we've got our, oh no, I'm telling y'all, I get the worst luck in these sub boxes. My stuff always comes looking crazy. See if I can get it all. All right, y'all, I had to take an alcohol prep pad to it. But we have it, and she's in perfect condition. Here is the matte in the Ibiza color, and here is the glossy. Goodness. So this is the cloth and paper clip set. Next we have the spiral folder system, and it says our spiral folder system pairs perfectly with your new folio. This multi-purpose folder system can be used in a variety of ways, from holding your grocery list to setting up a cash envelope system. This product works for all of your needs. So you have your cover sheet here, your cover, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 envelopes. They are one-sided. One spiral system, and then you have your back cover. So this is the spiral folder system. Next up is the monthly admin planner, and it says our Pocket Plus monthly admin planner uses the same layout from our monthly admin planner inserts. Use this planner in your new folio to keep track of your monthly plans. Includes 32 pages for 12 months of planning, and it's 3.2 by 6 inches. In the first sheet this planner belongs to: name, address, phone, email, memo. And then we have our first sheet, we have our monthly view, tasks, important dates, next month, and on the left side there is just a grid page, and that repeats. And then towards the back we have just the grid pages for you to take notes. So here is the monthly admin planner. Next we have the cash system cards, and it says pair our cash system cards with your new spiral folder system to create your own cash envelope system. Come on out of there. This set includes 15 cards, perfect for all your budgeting needs. And so these are super thick too. At the top it has category, budget, starting balance, date, description, amount, balance, ending balance. They are thick, they are one-sided, and these are the cash system cards. Y'all hear that? They thick. Last but not least is the month of July's journaling cards. We have our July clear card. We have a ruler clear card, functional card. This is 2 inches by 3.5 inches. We have our 50, 30, 20 matte card, and it says budgeting is not a shackle of spending limits, but a reminder of what's important to you. It has needs, savings, and investments, and wants. And this one says read me. Leather is a natural product from animal hides and therefore differs from hide to hide. Variations in the texture of the leather should not be considered a fault, but inherent of the natural beauty and uniqueness of the leather. So this is an explanation for the leather folio. And then this last journaling card says find creativity in the routine. The way you navigate repetitive tasks is where the true magic happens. So these are this month's journaling cards. So y'all, let's wrap that up. We have our journaling cards. We have our monthly admin planner. Come on, focus. Thank you. We have our spiral folder system. We have our door hanger. We have our build dashboard duo. We have our cash system cards. We have our cloth and paper clips in matte and glossy. And we have our leather folio. So if you enjoyed the unboxing of this video, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.